Hey guys, Leanne here on GradysMom. I've got a Walmart haul. I did have to pick up some things for my mom, and my brother's gonna bring them over, back over to her, so I'll show you guys those items as we go. So I had to get some health and beauty items, some body wash. This is the Dial Pure Moisture, some Crest 3D White Toothpaste. This is the Deep Clean and the Radiant Mint. Some of these vanilla, I think, little razor things, some simple exfoliating wipes. It was pretty slim pickings for some of these areas, so I just had to kind of improvise and get the next best thing. I had to get some aluminum foil. This is the kind we've been using for a couple years, the Great Value brand, the heavy duty aluminum foil. I get the 150. There wasn't very much variety either. A lot of things were still wiped out. Some tricolor peppers for grilling and dinners, some celery because we needed it, some eggs. I got the jumbo brown because there wasn't really that much variety. Bananas, some of these Great Value Queso potato chips. We tried the Great Value regular, like compared to Lay's potato chips, and they were actually really good, so we're going to try these. These are for my brother. They're the Snyder's of Hanover. They are the pretzel pieces, the jalapeno and the Parmesan garlic for my brother, so he will bring those back home when he gets all the stuff to bring up to my parents. Some Folgers, classic roast K-Cups. I've been liking these the past few months. They're like 12 something for a box of 24, which is a good deal. I got a box or a package of these Wild Wonder Gourmet tomatoes. I use these a lot for skewers and salads. Some strawberries, some Baby Bella mushrooms. I got a Baja citrus marinade. I think I have one, but I like to have a good stock of these marinades since we grill a lot. And then I also got a chili mix because I think I used my last one a couple weeks ago, and I like to have one of these or two sometimes at all times. Some of the market side green beans. I like to throw these in the grill pan, and obviously you can just steam them as well. This sweatshirt, it's the Time and True brand. It's super soft. They had like a whole section of like hoodies and sweatshirts. It's a very like lightweight sweatshirt. I really just like the color. It's sort of like a washed out gray, but it was $2. It said it was originally $10.88, and it's just really soft, so I thought it would just be good to have to throw on in the evenings when we're outside. I got some smoothie cups for Grady. These are the strawberry and watermelon Danimal smoothies, some Pringles, and some sugar-free Italian sweet cream Coffee Mate for my coffees in the morning. Some Great Value bacon, egg, and cheese croissant sandwiches for Matt to have for breakfasts. A couple boxes of penne for my mom. I guess she just needed penne in specific. I got some extra toasty Cheez-Its. I usually get the family size, but they did not have any. This was actually the last box in the extra toasty in the entire store that I saw. My mom also needed some paper towels, and it was either this Great Value brand or the Viva brand, and she said she'd rather have the Great Value, so I got her a 2-pack. I also got some Great Value brand family pack of napkins. I got one for us and one for my mom. She said she needed napkins as well. I also got some Kleenex in the Ultra Soft 3-pack. And then I grabbed some of this Freshka, I think it's blackberry. Yes, it's blackberry citrus. It's like a sparkling soda water. It's really good. And then I got Matt the Dr. Thunder, which is like the Walmart version of Dr. Pepper. So my camera battery actually died, so I had to switch batteries. So I'm back finishing up the haul. To let you guys know, I forgot to make a meal plan this week. Like, I didn't even write a meal plan down. I just kind of wung it. Although I did cook dinner at home every single night. I am going to put some dinner clips in after this because it's just easier since I'm already editing to show you a few dinners we had this past week. I'm filming this the same night that it's going up Friday the 17th. So this was from earlier in the week. I did that honey sriracha marinade. I love those McCormick marinades, you guys know. And then I just pour it over 2 large boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I was actually doing this early in the morning, so it had the whole day to marinate. And then for dinner, they were all ready to be marinated. Look at how much it soaks up that marinade. So my husband just threw those on the grill with half a bag of the fresh green beans from Walmart and some tomatoes, a little seasoning, EVOO, and I made some of these sweet potato steamers. So we had the grilled veggies, we had the grilled chicken, and then we had the sweet potatoes with a little bit of butter. It was an absolutely delicious dinner, and we just absolutely have been loving grilling, except I think tonight we're supposed to get some snow, so I don't know if we're going to be able to grill tomorrow, but we've been grilling every night where the weather has permitted. Another night this week, we had the Nathan's all beef cheddar hot dogs, just basic ketchup, mustard, and we actually have been grilling pierogies, and we had some cut up English cucumbers with some ranch to dip, and I'm really liking these pierogies on the grill, and they're actually really easy just to make along with whatever you're cooking already. The next night, we grilled veggies again in our grill pan. These are some baby bella mushrooms, peppers, onions, and zucchini, EVOO, and some seasonings with some locally made White Eagle brand kielbasa. I bought a whole bunch of it and froze it, and I just pull it out as needed, and it's just great to grill and use whatever's left for leftovers. And we had this with the pierogies and some fresh Italian bread, and that's a little bit of Cattleman Gold dip. The next night, I just made these Pillsbury flaky layer, I think they're called like Grands biscuits or something, but we just had some of those with some grilled peppers and onions. I used bell pepper. We did some sausage and had those little flaky biscuits. I think there was a night between this night and the last clip that I missed filming because, again, I've mentioned before, I always sometimes do forget to film clips. Another night we had these thick cut pork chops with the rest of the green beans and tomatoes that were left over with the Cattleman Gold. Here's what it looks like. It's our favorite barbecue sauce. It's sweet and tangy with a little bit of a kick. So we had that with the pork chops, the rest of the veggies, and some yellow Carolina style like rice. Tonight's dinner, this clip you're seeing here was just filmed a couple hours ago. I'm sitting down to film this and hoping to get it up tonight. So I made chili in the crock pot. This week has been crazy busy with working my job from home, homeschooling my son, trying to keep my son happy and stimulated by doing different things around the house, going outside to play. So I've been trying to remember to use my crock pot. So today I put chili in the crock pot. I added some corn and a little bit of chopped up jalapeno and topped it with cheddar. And I serve my chili over pasta. Most of you guys know this already. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this grocery haul and seeing some of our dinner clips for the week. I'm just doing my best. I know you guys have been so supportive and telling me just take a break if needed, but I'm trying to put out 1 or 2 videos a week during this quarantine. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you are all staying safe and healthy. I will see you all in my next video, which will be sometime next week. I'm going to try to get at least 1 video, maybe 2, but at least 1 video up next week for you. Enjoy your weekend, and I will see you soon.